Today, let's talk about how to grow your business with these 5 money-making action tasks. Hello there and welcome back. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Taking no action is surely the death of any business. And the only way to grow your business, my business, or any business is by taking action every single day. Well, you need to know what to do, but also inactions will result in stagnation. If you don't take action, that your customers will disappear, your sales funnels will empty, and your revenue will drop to zero. And we don't want our revenue to drop to zero. So don't let this happen. So here are 5 action tasks that will lead to increased income in your business growth. So take a pen and paper and take some notes and write these things down. So the first one is regularly send emails to your customers. Email marketing is not dead. I'm telling you. If you want to stay in touch with your clients and your prospects to continually add value to them, email is the easiest way to do it. And this is also a side effect of client retention and client engagement. Remember, do not try to sell every time you communicate with them. You do not like it when it's done to you. So therefore, don't do it to them. That's the golden rule. So let's apply it. You see, you can always offer your help so that if someone is stuck, they can seek your help out and get to you. And also get that golden rule into action. Do unto others what you want them to do unto you. Therefore, if someone is stuck, you can offer help. Number 2, customer service is the key. For those of you who know me, I'm a stickler for customer service. And despite your best efforts, there will always be some customers that will have some questions or problems, and they need a solution. And that's okay. We all do. So be ready to handle them with the heart-centered and service-driven person that you really are. Pro tip for you right now. When there's a complaint, do not be confrontational, meaning you against them. Because when we do that, it doesn't work. Rather, get on their side. Once you get on their side, you ask them to express their frustration to you and tell them, wow, this is surely unpleasant. So let's see how we can make it right together. I truly believe that everyone is a nice person deep down, but sometimes they may be hurt. And in those cases, if we show that we really care, it will turn the situation around faster, and then we even may get a referrals out of this. Try it for yourself and turn a win-lose situation into a win-win situation. And if you get a referral, you'll turn it into a win-win-win situation. Awesome. Number 3, how long has it been since your last rate increase? And if you're asking yourself, is the price of my services competitive with my current market? You're asking yourself the wrong question. What you charge has nothing to do with the competition and everything to do with the value that you bring to the table and the results that your clients are experiencing because of your services. You see, and we've heard this before, amateurs compete, professionals create. Why? Because they add a lot more value. So be confident that your expertise is worth the new rate, because when you create more value than the competition, guess what? You literally eliminate the competition. Awesome. Number 4, repackage your offering. Review your older content, the books that you've done, programs, blogs, videos, etc., to create new bundles of products or services that are relevant for today by using your expertise and the knowledge and experience that you've gathered over the last few months. This is valuable. If you want it to be interesting, the information, products, or services that you offer must be related to the actual challenges that your niche industry is experiencing today and priced according to the results that you help to get them. Once again, professionals create. Number 5, offer previous clients a new service. You see, most of us are looking all over the place. How can I get new clients? And we're letting the goal that is 3 feet away from us just get unnoticed. And this is previous clients. Open up that previous client list and create an exclusive offer just for them. See, people know and buy from people they know, like, and trust. You and I know that. But you already created that bond with those people. So make them an offer that they don't want to miss. If you want a quick response, make the offer interesting to them, exclusive to them, and make it limited in time. Pro tip, take a pen. How do I know what to offer? As many coaches, professionals, and business owners are struggling with this question. And the answer is to know what your target audience wants. Now you're gonna say, what questions can I ask? Well, how about this one? What information do they want presented to them that solves an immediate and pressing problem to them? Number 2, what are the hot topics in their industry? Let them know that you're the go-to person for that. How about another question? What are the struggles that they experience every day? It's simple to understand what they want, because if you simply ask them, they will tell you. There you have it. Professional coaches and business owners, it's time to put together an action plan. Business growth requires action. And now you have those 5 actionable tasks to supercharge your income and drive your business growth. Don't wait. Start implementing them today. And if you need help on that, or you're unsure on how it's going to be, well, then get hold of me. And so we can get you traction faster. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for more game-changing insights. Thanks for joining us. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com, and see you next time.